In this video, I'll show you how to sign a Walmart money order. Start by looking for the line that says pay to the order of and write the full legal name of the person or business you want to pay. Avoid nicknames or abbreviations, because once it's written, it cannot be changed. Next, go to the line marked purchaser, signature for drawer, and sign your name clearly, just like you would on a check or receipt. Since this signature authorizes the money order, below that, fill out the address section with your complete mailing address, including street, city, and zip code, so the issuer or recipient can contact you if needed. Once you've filled in all three sections, take a moment to review your work. Make sure the payee's name is spelled correctly, your signature is in place, and your address is clear. Always use permanent ink, blue or black pen is best, and avoid leaving any spaces blank. Don't forget to keep the detachable receipt, which contains the tracking number, because this will allow you to confirm if the order has been cashed or to file a claim if it's ever lost. To make sending money even easier, use the link in the description to get started today. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.